Welcome to this Study Legal English sleep story, where you'll relax and gently drift into a peaceful sleep while passively learning about the fascinating world of commercial law. Remember that Study Legal English sleep stories are not legal advice and are instead here to help you learn legal English while you fall asleep. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow my channel and helps me know what content to produce. So now, close your eyes, settle in, and let your mind unwind. Get comfy, take a deep breath, and let the gentle pace of this narrative ease you into sleep as we explore the world of commercial law. Introduction to commercial law. Commercial law is an extensive area of legal practice designed to support businesses and regulate commerce. You may wonder why commercial law is so important. Well, commercial law ensures that business transactions, the sale and supply of goods, and the legal rights of companies and individuals are upheld and regulated. Without it, businesses wouldn't be able to function smoothly or confidently. This area of law is vast, covering everything from the creation of contracts to disputes over intellectual property. Essentially, it's about making sure that businesses can operate, expand, and thrive in a legal and structured way. Lawyers specializing in commercial law are key players in maintaining this order. Let's imagine for a moment a bustling city filled with trade, innovation, and negotiation. Behind every transaction, every agreement, and every business partnership, there's a framework built on commercial law. What does a commercial lawyer do? Commercial lawyers are like the architects of the business world. They design and implement the legal framework that allows companies to function. Their work can range from drafting contracts and agreements to advising on the legal aspects of mergers, acquisitions, and other transactions. A commercial lawyer might help a company decide the best way to enter a new market, or they might guide a business through the complexities of intellectual property law. A day in the life of a commercial lawyer is never the same, depending on their area of expertise. They might be advising a tech startup on software agreements one day, and negotiating an international distribution deal the next. Commercial lawyers need to be adaptable, able to understand their clients' business needs, and skilled in identifying potential risks. A key part of their job is protecting their clients' interests. For example, they might draft a contract for a company that wants to license its intellectual property to another business. The lawyer's role is to ensure that the terms of the contracts are clear, fair, and legally enforceable. They also need to make sure that the client is protected from potential legal disputes in the future. Commercial lawyers often work closely with other legal professionals. They may collaborate with tax lawyers, intellectual property specialists, and litigators to ensure that every aspect of a business deal is covered. This collaborative approach is essential as commercial law touches on many other areas of legal practice. Skills required to become a commercial lawyer. What does it take to become a successful commercial lawyer? First and foremost, commercial lawyers need to be excellent communicators. They must be able to explain complex legal concepts in a way that their clients, who are often busy business executives, can easily and quickly understand. Good negotiation skills are also essential. As much of a commercial lawyer's work involves securing the best possible deal for their client. Attention to detail is another crucial skill. In commercial law, a single mistake in a contract can have serious consequences. Lawyers need to carefully review every word, ensuring that the contract accurately reflects their client's intentions. Commercial lawyers also need strong research skills. They must be able to find and interpret relevant case law, statutes, and regulations to provide accurate legal advice. And because the business world is always evolving, they need to stay up to date with the latest legal developments and industry trends. Finally, commercial lawyers need a good understanding of business. They need to know how different industries operate, what their clients' goals are, and how the law can help them achieve those goals. Commercial law in the UK. In the UK, commercial law is a key part of the legal system. Many businesses turn to the UK's legal system for its reliability and expertise. The courts in London, in particular, are a popular choice for resolving international business disputes. There are also some prestigious law firms in the UK that specialise in commercial law, often referred to as the Magic Circle firms. These include Allen and Overy, Linklaters, Slaughter and May, Freshfields, and Clifford Chance. These firms handle high-profile cases and often work with clients from all over the world. UK commercial lawyers frequently advise clients on a range of issues, from corporate mergers to e-commerce agreements. With the rise of online business, there has been an increased focus on areas such as data protection, cyber security, and software licensing agreements. The UK's departure from the European Union, known as Brexit, has created new challenges for commercial lawyers. Many businesses operating across borders need advice on how to comply with changing regulations. As a result, commercial lawyers are playing an essential role in helping businesses navigate these complexities. Challenges faced by commercial law clients. Clients in the commercial law field face a variety of challenges. One of the most common issues is navigating the complexities of international trade. With global supply chains and international partnerships becoming the norm, businesses need to ensure that their various contracts are enforceable in different jurisdictions. This often requires the expertise of a commercial lawyer in the company's own country, collaborating with lawyers on the ground in those countries the company does business with. Another common challenge is managing risk. Businesses are always looking for ways to minimize their exposure to legal disputes, and commercial lawyers help them do this by drafting clear contracts and advising on regulatory compliance. For example, a business might need advice on how to comply with new data protection laws when launching a new product online. Current and future trends in commercial law. The future of commercial law is closely tied to the future of business itself. As new technologies emerge, businesses will need legal guidance on how to adapt. One major trend is the rise of e-commerce. More and more businesses are selling their products online, and this has created a need for legal expertise in areas like digital contracts, online payment systems, and cyber security. Another trend is the increasing importance of data protection. With more businesses collecting and storing customer data, there is a growing demand for lawyers who understand the legal requirements for data security and privacy. The rise of environmental and social governance, ESG, concerns is also impacting commercial law. Businesses are increasingly expected to consider the environmental and social impacts of their operations, and commercial lawyers are helping them to navigate the legal implications of these issues. Finally, Brexit continues to create uncertainty for businesses operating in the UK and Europe. Commercial lawyers will play a critical role in helping businesses navigate the legal challenges brought about by the UK's departure from the EU. Collaboration with other legal departments. Commercial lawyers don't work in isolation. They frequently collaborate with lawyers from other departments to provide a comprehensive legal service to their clients. For example, a commercial lawyer working on a merger might need to consult with an employment lawyer regarding employment issues, and a tax lawyer to ensure that the deal is structured in the most tax-efficient way. Similarly, if a business is involved in a legal dispute, the commercial lawyer might work closely with a litigator to develop a strategy for resolving the issue. This collaboration ensures that every aspect of the client's legal needs is addressed. Conclusion. And now, as we come to the end of our journey through the world of commercial law, let your mind drift into relaxation, knowing you've absorbed valuable legal English knowledge about this complex yet fascinating area of legal practice. Remember, commercial law plays a vital role in helping businesses operate smoothly, and commercial lawyers are the guides who navigate the legal landscape. Remember that this episode is not legal advice. It's just here to help you learn legal English while you fall asleep. Close your eyes and let sleep take over. Tomorrow is another day, and while you rest, the intricacies of commercial law will gently settle in your mind. Good night.